Okay, we're on the boat, leaving Universal, headed toward the hotel. Pam. Okay. Headed toward leaving Universal, headed that way. There's our first bridge. I don't see a walkway here, so apparently you cannot make it. I don't think yes, there is a walkway up there. Sorry about that. There is a walkway. Yeah, the walkway's got the handrail on top, that is. I'm not sure what part of Universal that is, though. I'm sure that's part of Universal, one of the rides or whatever. And they have cypress trees, and trees I'm not really familiar with. I see a lot of oak, palm trees, cypress. The one thing you don't see in here, or so far I have not, is pine trees. In Florida, has pine, and most of the trees, some of the trees have moss on them. That's unusual nowadays. Moss is a parasite that don't hurt the tree, but pollution kills them, so you don't see a lot anymore. Back in South Louisiana, there was times that trees would be completely loaded with moss. Either way, there's not a lot to see on these rides, but the landscape is beautiful. It really is. I suppose Universal owns some of that land over there, but I'm not sure. I'm really not sure what that is right there. That moss has been planted, which I'm glad to see it. They're trying to keep this place environmentally straight, and hopefully, some of the moss will come back. Years ago, they'd wait to this point, and trees would be hanging with it. What happened to it was, that back in the day, they used the moss. People would gather it in South Louisiana and sell it to furniture companies to stuff pillowcases and couches and chair back. Yeah.
Little palm trees.
Yeah, little palm trees. Hey babies, they grow about 2 to 3 foot a year on the average. If you look at the size of these palm trees, they've been here a day or two. That is kind of cute though. Look at that rascal. Look at that. I don't know how much they spend on landscaping. It's got to be a bunch. And here we go coming under a bridge. Okay. Oh yeah. Like I said, the landscaping here is absolutely beautiful. Flowers, bridges right after bridges. And oh man, I see where we're headed. I have never been on this end of Universal before. As soon as I get under this bridge, I'll show you. This is where we're going.
This is the most premier resort on Universal property.
This is?
This is the most premier resort. There's 3 premier resorts, but this is the most expensive one.
In other words, this is
And they're doing a lot of renovations. Look at that.
Yeah, and this is the top of the line.
Well, there's three that are top of the line. This, Hard Rock, and Royal Pacific. But out of the three, this is the one that's most expensive. Look at this. That's cute.
It is.
That's cute.
And being an old construction worker, all that scaffolding don't come cheap. It's rented by the day or week.
Look, that hanging thing over
Yeah, all
there
the
has
cloth.
it painted on them.
Yeah.
The windows painted while they renovate.
Yeah, all the cloth hanging on the building. It's quite a lot of work. But we have finally arrived where we needed to be.